Pull the tailgate handle up and lower the tailgate to open. To use your key to lock the tailgate, turn it once toward the driver's side. Turn to the passenger side to unlock. Due to the weight of the tailgate, 2 people should be present when removing or installing the tailgate. Your vehicle is equipped with a rear camera. It must be disconnected before the tailgate can be removed. Please refer to your owner's manual for further instruction. To entirely remove the tailgate for greater ease in certain loading operations, first release the tailgate support cables. Hold the tailgate at a 15-degree angle. Pull it out from the left side hinge. Then slide the tailgate out of the right side hinge. To reinstall the tailgate, simply perform these functions in reverse, ensuring that the tailgate closes securely. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.